Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this PowerPoint animation. So copy and paste these two slides and make them the same. Then you are going to select insert, shapes, and select text box and type in the title of your project. I'm just going to type in Italy, and I'm just going to adjust the font here. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. And I'm also going to find like a bold font here. Like this one maybe. Then I'm just going to place this at the center. Well, I tried to place it at the center. There we go. And I'm just going to color it white. Insert, and then select the shapes again. And you're going to just create a like rectangle here. And I'm just going to color it black, but you can color it anything you want. And let's send backward. Okay. Select this too. Go to format, merge shapes, and select subtract till it looks like this. Actually we're going to delete the slide, sorry. We're going to duplicate this one. Then we're just going to make this like, oops, super big until we can't see the text anymore. Just hold shift on your keyboard so that you can do it without having to. This is a little bit tricky if I'm being honest. Adjust it every 10 seconds. I'm just trying to get it at a point where you can't see like the text anymore. Oops. So like right about here is good actually. I'll just I guess place it there. I'm trying to like place it in the like middle here, but this seems like kind of impossible to do. Well, it's already looking like this, so it's fine. You can't see the text anymore. Then just go to transitions here, and there should be a morph one. Maybe mine is outdated, but just add in the morph one. Yeah, there should be a morph one because my one is outdated, so just add that in. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.